A new humanoid robotics startup has launched in the UK, and they've chosen the most straightforward name possible, Humanoid. The company has introduced its first product, the HMN DD01, a next-generation labor automation unit designed to collaborate with humans rather than replace them. Standing at 175 centimeters, about 5 feet 9 inches, and weighing 70 kilograms, 154 pounds, the HMN DD01 is roughly the size and weight of an average adult. Its primary purpose is to address global labor shortages, aging populations, and the need for solutions to handle repetitive or physically demanding tasks. Technical specifications of the HMN DD01. The HMN DD01 is equipped with impressive technical features. It can walk at speeds of up to 1.5 meters per second, 5.4 kilometers per hour, which is suitable for tasks in environments like warehouses or retail spaces. The robot has a 4-hour runtime before needing a recharge and can carry payloads of up to 15 kilograms, 33 pounds. While this might seem modest, it's sufficient for many industrial and logistical applications, such as picking, packing, kitting, or part handling. The robot's advanced AI and nimble mechanical design allow it to navigate tight spaces with precision, making it ideal for busy factory floors or crowded stockrooms. Its human-level, or better, manipulation speeds are crucial for efficiency in industries like e-commerce fulfillment, retail stocking, and light manufacturing, modular design and customization. One of the standout features of the HMN DD01 is its modular design. Users can choose different upper and lower body modules, as well as end effector configurations, allowing for customization based on specific tasks. This flexibility means the robot can be upgraded or adapted over time to meet changing business needs. Additionally, the HMN DD01 comes with interchangeable garments or outer coverings to protect both the robot and its working environment. For example, it might wear protective sleeves in dusty warehouses, or a sleek covering in customer-facing roles. The vision behind Humanoid was founded in 2024 by Artem Suv, a serial entrepreneur with a vision of humans and machines working side by side. The company argues that the strongest case for humanoid robots is that our world is built for human shapes, sizes, and movements. Instead of redesigning environments to fit machines, Humanoid builds machines to fit the environments we already have. Looking ahead, Humanoid has teased a roadmap for 2025, which includes developing and testing 2 alpha prototypes, one wheeled version and one bipedal version. The company is also in discussions with major retail companies for pilot projects, suggesting that the HMN DD01 could soon be tested in real-world settings. Cost, market, and competition. The cost of humanoid robots like the HMN DD01 is estimated to range from $50,000 to $100,000, depending on customization and bulk orders. While this is a significant investment, companies facing labor shortages may find the return on investment worthwhile. The global market for humanoid robots is projected to reach $1 billion by 2025, indicating rapid growth in the field. When it comes to competition, Boston Dynamics is a key player, known for its humanoid robot Atlas and the dog-like Spot. However, while Atlas is often showcased performing acrobatic feats, the HMN DD01 focuses on practical labor and logistics tasks. Another competitor is SoftBank Robotics, famous for its social robot Pepper, which is designed for customer interaction rather than operational efficiency. Other developments in humanoid robotics. The HMN DD01 isn't the only humanoid robot making headlines. UBTech, a Chinese robotics company, recently unveiled Una, a humanoid robot designed for service roles like emotional support, interactive entertainment, and reception duties. Una features a soft silicone exterior to make human interactions more comfortable, though detailed specifications and pricing have yet to be released. Meanwhile, Boston Dynamics is enhancing its Atlas robot through a partnership with the Robotics and AI Institute. The focus is on improving Atlas's ability to perform real-world tasks, such as walking while picking up objects or operating tools, moving beyond flashy demos to practical applications in active worksites or warehouses. The future of humanoid robots. Humanoid robots are rapidly transitioning from sci-fi concepts to real-world tools. The HMN DD01 could soon be seen stocking shelves or handling heavy lifting in retail, while Una might greet guests in hotels or care facilities. Atlas, with its advanced capabilities, could take on complex tasks in construction or logistics. While ethical and safety concerns remain, these robots are designed to fill gaps in the workforce, not replace humans entirely. The humanoid robotics market is booming, and it's exciting to imagine how these machines will integrate into our daily lives. The HMN DD01 stands out for its real-world functionality, Una adds a friendly and approachable design, and Atlas is pushing the boundaries of what humanoid robots can achieve. The humanoid robotics industry is evolving quickly, and it's clear that these machines are here to stay. What do you think about the rise of humanoid robots? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and AI content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Give the thumbs up if you like the video, and visit judyfairmarketing.com for more information.